So this will be my very first ever plant-related video, but for those of you that do not know me, I am obsessed with plants. I have them all over my house. There's some behind me here, there's some in front of me over there, they're pretty much everywhere. But I wanted to do a little unboxing. I got a very special plant in the mail today. Sounds like it's moving around a little in there, which worries me, but it'll be fine. But this is probably the plant. Seeing pictures of this plant on Instagram is what made me want to love plants. I saw this on, I can't even remember whose Instagram I saw it on first. But as soon as I saw it, I was like, a plant that has pink in its leaves, like where can I get one of those? I need that right now. So I did all this research trying to find where I could buy one. Couldn't find one for sale anywhere. And I will say I live in the US, so this plant is probably way easier to find if you don't live in the United States, but where I live in West Texas in a pretty, I wouldn't say small town, but it's a between small and big town. And we don't have any like cool tropical plant stores or anything. We've got like Home Depot and Lowe's, and that's pretty much it. So obviously Home Depot and Lowe's do not carry this plant, unfortunately. They probably will someday, but not yet. So I found a couple of these on Etsy, and they were selling for like hundreds of dollars, and that's just not something I'm willing to pay for this plant. So I found this really cool plant shop online, and they were doing like a wait list for a pink princess, which is the plant that I'm about to unbox. So I put my name on the wait list, and then they decided to condense the wait list, so we did like a pre-order thing, and I pre-ordered it in June of 2019, which is this year, and I just got it today. Today is November 21st, 2019, so it was quite a wait, but I'm so glad it's here, and I am so excited to open it and see what it looks like. So it came in a pretty standard box. I've ordered plants from this company before, and they get here, they look beautiful when they get here, and there's no pests or anything like that, so that's always good. So I'm just going to cut on into here. It's all bubble wrapped in there. Not bubble wrap, but styrofoam padding. And then they give like a tip card telling you what to do, showing you the best way to unbox and all that good stuff. And they always suggest that you isolate your new plant, which is pretty standard for anywhere, just to make sure that if there is anything wrong with it, it's not gonna, infest all your other plants. And I love that they do this. They put a little card, and it shows like who inspected your plant and all that good stuff. So I think that's super cute. So I'm going to set those aside. I'm hoping this doesn't make a massive mess, but we'll see. Ooh. She is. And they also sent a super cute little pink princess pin, which is so nice. I think they sent that just because I had to wait so long. So everybody that had to wait a long time, I think, got one of those, which was really nice. Okay, this is for sure gonna make a mess. Alright, there's lots of soil out of place. I don't think my postman or woman is very careful with my packages because a lot of stuff comes this way, and that's okay, but let's see. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's beautiful. It's so pretty. The leaves are like super dirty because there's soil everywhere, but I've also got some roots coming up out of the soil, which is a little concerning. But other than that, it looks super good and super cute. Oh, I'm trying to mush some of the soil back into place because it's kind of everywhere. But this is what it looks like. These leaves are so pretty. Like, look at this one. How precious. I'm so excited. That one's so pretty too. And then I guess this is probably the newest leaf. It looks like it hasn't really, probably just unfurled recently, but super shiny and glossy and new. I'm so excited. I've been wanting this plant for many, many months, and I can't believe I finally have one now. I'm so excited, and I hope that it adjusts well to my home. If you guys have any tips or tricks on making these beautiful pink princess philodendron happy, please leave them below. I need all the help I can get, for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!